say to my sisters and my brothers, keep the faith. When the storm flies and the wind blows, go on at a steady pace. When the battle is fought and the victory's won, we can all shout together, we have overcome. We'll talk to the Father and the Son when we make it to the promised land. When we walk together, little children, we don't ever have to worry. Through this world of trouble, you got to love one another. Let us take our fellow man by the hand, try to help him to understand. We can all be together forever and ever when we make it to the promised land. Our Bible reads, thou shalt not be afraid of the terror by night, or the arrow that flies by day, nor for the pestilence that waiteth in the darkness, nor for the destruction that waiteth in the noonday hour. And we walk together, little children, we don't ever have to worry. Through this world of trouble, we got to love